guys, welcome to today's video and to my channel if you're new here. I'm Debbie if we've not met before, hello. And in today's video we're going to be playing with the Taupes palette from JUVIA'S place. I got some of their mini palettes, I showed them in my recent haul and I want to play with them but kind of do something a little bit different with this one because it's kind of, well, it's taupe, isn't it? And I like colourful makeup, so I thought I'd do something nice in the waterline, something maybe smoky on the lower lash and bring in like quite a vibrant lipstick to go with it and see how I can kind of jazz this palette up to make it my kind of style. So if you're interested to see that, then please keep on watching. Okay guys, we're going in with the Sigma eyeshadow primer in Persuade. Kind of gone back to that one just recently. I always seem to get good results with this one and it doesn't crease on me too much. And I always try not to put too much of it on my lids though, because it is quite a thick primer. But it definitely helps with the crease work to kind of get it to lay down nicely and to pop but still blend. So I try different primers sometimes just to figure out if they're better, but I still really like this one. As I say, the plan for today is to jazz this palette up. I am going to use Dragon Smoke by Urban Decay. It's one of the ones that came out with the Game of Thrones collection. It's just been sitting there. I decided to use that. It's a bit of a kind of shop my stash in a way because I've also got the Urban Decay Cherry lipstick from their Cherry collection. Just going through my makeup drawers, putting some other lipsticks away. Saw that one and thought, I want to wear that today. So I decided to use this palette to do it. That's how this video came about. So I'm just going to build up some crease work just to start the look off. I'm going to start in the outer corner with this deepest shade. None of these shades have names. I'm just going to build that up into the outer corner and then drag it out a little bit and then run it through my crease. I don't want to bring it up into too much of a wing or anything too dramatic today. Who am I? What is going on here? Around the edges of that I'm going to take the lighter shade that's next to it. That one I'm going to bring that more down into my crease. I think it's about the same colour as the eyeshadow primer so you can't see it, but it's just helping to blend a little bit there on the front part. Just clean that same brush off and I'm just going to use the lighter shade, so we're just getting a bit of a gradient going really. Nothing too crazy so far. I'm going to pack a bit more of this colour on now that we've kind of got the crease figured out where that's going to all go. So a bit more of that into the outer V. I kind of wish that was a little bit deeper than it is. Just going to pop some glitter primer on my lids, NYX glitter primer, just to give something for these shimmers to really adhere to, but the JUVIA shimmers don't need too much help to be honest, but I just always do this now. I think I'm going to go for this taupey shade as my lid shade. Might do a bit of that one more towards my inner part, so that on the outer, that on the inner. I'll change my mind, I think I'm going to take that all the way through. That's really quite pretty. For a neutral shimmer. I'm going to take a brush, no additional product, just to blend that shimmer into the matte a little bit, just where it touches in my crease. Let's have some fun with the lower lash line then. So I'm going to take this Dragon Smoke on my lower lash line, not in my waterline, and then wing it out. And I'm going to use that brush that I just used in the crease a moment ago just to smudge that out. These Linda Hallberg ones are great for this smudging action. And then I'm going to take the deeper colour and set it with that fluffy M506 brush. And then dip into that one and just further blend out, so we're getting a really grungy lower lash line. That's that eye done. I'm just going to repeat it on the other eye just quickly. I want to bring a flush of yellow in now, so I'm going to use Lethal Cosmetics Stereo in my waterline. In my inner corner, I'm going to take some of this as a base, and then I'm going to pack a highlight over the top of that. And the highlight I'm going to use is Solar Sailor by Kaleidos Makeup, because it is a yellow gold and I think it will reflect really nicely in the inner corner. Just going to connect that inner corner highlight with that shimmer on the lid just to make it look a little bit more cohesive. Okay, that's the eyes right now. Just going to hop off camera for mascara and a lip, and I'll be back with you to show you the completed look. Okay guys, here's the finished look. And as promised, I finished it off with the Cherry lipstick from Urban Decay from the Cherry collection that came out when they brought out their Naked Cherry palette. Also, as I say, used the Dragon Smoke pencil in my waterline there, so it's been a bit of an Urban Decay revival today. They're one of my favourite brands, and I just neglect some of the items I've got in my collection, so it's nice to shop my stash and bring them back a little bit now and again. But what do you think then to me spicing up the palette? Do you think I succeeded? So it's not really a very Debbie colour story really, is it? It's quite a neutral kind of dull colour story really of the ones that they've brought out, but I'm such a completionist for Juvia's Place that I just wanted to get it. But this is the kind of way that I would style up a palette like this. Either this, or I'd make it like even more smoky, like with lashings of black eyeliner and a big wing or something. But this is a bit more of a subtle way to bring colour in. And sometimes you guys ask me, you know, how do you kind of introduce colour, particularly when you're getting older, and a flush of colour in your inner corner or your waterline is quite a safe kind of way to go to do it. But it's so striking. These gel liners by Lethal Cosmetics are so good. They last all day. I'll struggle to get this out of my waterline. I'll probably be rocking a yellow waterline tomorrow as well. But they're really good, and they are eye safe to use that way. And they just make brilliant eye bases, like I've done for my inner corner where I've packed the highlight over it. So yeah, I really love how this one came out. Really enjoyed creating it. So I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If this is your first time here and you're new to my channel, then thank you so much for clicking on this video, and I hope you might consider subscribing before you go. Other than that guys, hope you're having a lovely day or night wherever you are, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye guys.